Greetings, my dear students. Today I'd like to discuss with you the topic chart patterns, another tool of technical analysis. Securities price movements resembles some common shapes like rectangle, triangle, head and shoulders, cup and handle, flags, etc. Such shapes are known as patterns. These patterns are a visual way to trade. They provide a logical entry point. That means it helps the investor to decide when to invest. These are also helpful in managing risk and in fixing price target for exiting a profitable trade. That means to limit your risk on a trade, you need an exit plan. And when a trade goes against you, a stop loss order is a crucial part of that plan. A stop loss is an offsetting order that exits your trade once a certain price level reached. Okay, so first of all, I'd like to discuss with you the pattern cup and handle. The cup and handle pattern occurs in both small time frames like a 1 minute chart and in a large time frames like daily, weekly and monthly charts. A cup and handle chart may signal either a reversal pattern or a continuation pattern. A reversal pattern occurs when the price is in a long-term downtrend. That means if there is a long-term downtrend, here it is. After cup and handle, after this cup and handle, the price starts rising like this. Okay. Here the trend reversal happened. And a continuation pattern occurs during an uptrend. That means in the case of an uptrend, the price is rising and after cup and handle, the price continues rising. So a continuation pattern occurs there. Okay. And in this chart, we are in a downtrend and here the price waves down followed by a stabilizing period and followed by a rally of approximately equal size to the prior decline. Okay. It creates a U shape or the cup in our cup and handle. The price then moves sideways or drifts downward within a channel that forms the handle. Then the price starts rising. Okay. So let's have a look at this video. Here you can see cup and handle. And for the university examination point of view, you can describe about these patterns easily by memorizing some keywords. Here in the case of cup and handle, the keywords are: a cup and handle chart may signal either a reversal pattern or a continuation pattern. Okay, so let's move towards head and shoulders. This is one of the most reliable chart formation and considered as a trend reversal pattern. It's like a human head and shoulders. Here you can see the left shoulder, then this is the head, this is the right shoulder, and left shoulder means price rise followed by a price peak followed by a decline. Head means price rise again forming a higher peak. Right shoulder means a decline occurs once again followed by a rise to form the right peak which is lower than the head. The neckline is the level of support or resistance that traders use to determine strategic areas to place orders. Here this is the neckline. A key element of the pattern is the neckline. The neckline is formed by drawing a line connecting two low price points of the formation. The first low point occurs here at the end of the left shoulder. The second at the end of the head. Okay. And the pattern is completed when the support provided by neckline is broken. Here it is broken. Okay. And in the case of an inverted head and shoulders, left shoulder means price declines followed by a price bottom followed by an increase. And head means price decline again forming a lower bottom. And right shoulder is the price increases once again, then declines to form the right bottom. The inverted head and shoulders will be like this. This is the left shoulder. Here price decreased, again increased, and it again decreased to a lower level and again increased. This is head, and again it is decreased and increased up to neckline, and then neckline will be broken. Okay, so you can see this video, and here the keyword to remember in the case of head and shoulders is that the head and shoulder is a trend reversal pattern. Okay. This is how head and shoulders works, and now it's the inverted head and shoulder. Okay, so let's discuss about symmetrical triangle. Symmetrical triangles are characterized as areas of indecision. This pattern is neutral in that a breakout to the upside or downside is a confirmation of a trend in that direction. So the symmetrical triangle is a pattern in which two trend lines converge here like this, converge towards each other. This pattern is neutral in that a breakout to upside or downside is a confirmation of a trend in that direction. That means if the breakout is towards upside, then bullish tendency will be there. If the breakout is towards downside, the price will fall down in the future. But it's not easy to predict the breakaway. Okay. And in this pattern is made up of a series of fluctuations, each of which is smaller than the previous one. And tops do not attain the heights of previous heights like this. This is the first height, then the previous heights, then the coming heights are lesser than that, and the bottoms are higher than the previous bottoms. Here it is. The bottoms are higher than the previous bottoms. Okay. And here you can see symmetrical triangles. And the next one is ascending triangle. Ascending triangles are generally considered as bullish and are most reliable when found in an uptrend. Top part of the ascending triangle appears flat and bottom part is upward sloping. When demand exceeds the supply, price will increase. Then there will be a breakout. Breakout will be in favor of a bullish trend in the case of an ascending triangle. Okay. And this is an ascending triangle. And descending triangles. Descending triangles are generally considered as bearish and are usually found in downtrends. The top part of the descending triangle is bearish or downward sloping, and the bottom part appears as flat. Okay, the possibility of a downward breakout is high in the case of this pattern. Here you can see that a breakout towards the downward side. Okay. Here you can see a descending triangle. This is a live chart taken by our Ladit sir. Here you can see the breakout. Okay. So these are all about cup and handle, head and shoulder, and triangles. Okay. Thank you.